Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing some of the most beautiful and low maintenance indoor plants that can instantly brighten your home. These plants not only add a touch of natural elegance but also help purify the air and create a calm, refreshing atmosphere. If you are looking to make your space greener, healthier and more vibrant, then this video is just for you. So let's get started and explore the best indoor plants for your home. Today's first plant is Peperomia clusiifolia, often called the red edge peperomia or jelly peperomia, is a popular indoor plant known for its striking foliage and easy care. This plant has thick, waxy, spoon-shaped leaves that are beautifully patterned with deep green centers, creamy margins, and a soft red or pink outline that gives the plant a unique ornamental look. It is a slow-growing, compact plant that usually stays between 8 to 12 inches in height, making it perfect for small spaces such as office desks, bedroom tables, window sills, and decorative shelves. Peperomia clusiifolia thrives best in bright indirect sunlight, but it can also adapt well to low or medium light areas, which makes it suitable for apartments or rooms with limited sunlight. The plant prefers well-draining potting soil, and due to its succulent-like leaves, it requires minimal watering, only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry. Overwatering should be avoided as it can lead to root rot. It also enjoys a slightly warm and humid environment similar to tropical climates. One of the great advantages of this plant is that it is non-toxic and pet-friendly, making it safe for homes with cats or dogs. Besides being attractive, Peperomia clusiifolia also helps improve indoor air quality by filtering pollutants and adding freshness to your living space. With very low maintenance needs, high adaptability, and year-round evergreen foliage, it is an excellent choice for beginners as well as experienced plant lovers in most nurseries across India. The price of this Peperomia clusiifolia typically ranges between 250 to 450 rupees depending on the plant size and pot type. Next plant is Parlour Palm. Is one of the most elegant and beginner-friendly indoor plants, loved for its soft, feathery leaves and natural ability to brighten any corner of the home. This palm grows slowly and stays compact, usually reaching around 2 to 4 feet indoors, which makes it perfect for living rooms, hallways, offices, and bedrooms. Its delicate arcing fronds gives a tropical, relaxing feel without needing too much care. The Parlour Palm thrives in bright to medium indirect light, but it is also one of the few houseplants that can survive in low light conditions, making it ideal for homes with limited sunlight. It prefers well-draining soil and requires moderate watering, usually when the top inch of soil becomes slightly dry. Overwatering should be avoided as palms are sensitive to water-logged soil. This plant enjoys a warm, slightly humid environment, but it can also tolerate normal indoor humidity without any issue. One of its biggest advantages is that it is a natural air purifier, effectively removing pollutants like formaldehyde and improving the freshness of indoor air. The Parlour Palm is also non-toxic and safe for pets, making it an excellent choice for households with cats or dogs. With its low maintenance nature, slow growth, long lifespan, and graceful appearance, the Parlour Palm has been a favorite indoor plant for over 100 years. It stays green throughout the year and adds a soft, luxurious touch to any interior decor. In India, the price of a Parlour plant usually ranges from 300 to 700 depending on the plant size and pot quality. Next popular indoor plant is pumpkin plant. It's a striking indoor plant admired for its large, lush leaves that feature beautiful patterns of green, cream, and yellow. Its bold tropical appearance makes it a perfect statement plant for living rooms, offices, hallways, and any indoor space that needs a vibrant touch of greenery. This plant grows moderately fast and can reach 3 to 5 feet indoors, depending on care and pot size. It thrives in bright to medium indirect light, and too much direct sun can scorch its leaves. The plant prefers moist but well draining soil, and watering should be done when the top layer of soil starts to dry out. It enjoys a slightly humid environment which helps keeps its foliage fresh and healthy. This plant is known for being a powerful air purifying plant, helping to reduce indoor toxins and maintain cleaner air. However, one important point is that the plant sap can be irritating if touched or ingested, so it should be kept away from small children and pets, and hands should be washed after handling. With proper care, regular watering, indirect light, occasional misting, and wiping the leaves to keep them dust free. This plant remains full, vibrant, and attractive throughout the year. Its impressive leaves and easy growth habits make it a great choice for beginners as well as plant collectors. In India, the price of these plants generally ranges from 250 to 600 depending on the size, variety, and nursery quality. Next popular indoor plant is Aglaonema, commonly known as the Chinese evergreen. Is one of the most attractive and reliable indoor plants, loved for its stunning foliage and extremely low maintenance nature. This plant comes in many beautiful varieties, featuring leaves in shades of green, silver, cream, pink, and even red, making it a perfect decorative plant for homes, offices, bedrooms, and living rooms. Aglaonema grows slowly and stays compact, usually reaching 1 to 3 feet indoors, which makes it ideal for tabletops as well as floor pots. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, and unlike many other house plants, it can tolerate very low light corners, making it perfect for apartments or rooms without direct sunlight. The plant prefers well draining soil and needs watering only when the top layer becomes slightly dry. Overwatering should be avoided to prevent root issues. Aglaonema enjoys warm temperatures and moderate humidity, although it can easily adapt to normal indoor conditions. One of the biggest advantages of the Chinese evergreen is its strong air purifying ability. It helps remove toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, improving indoor air quality. This plant is also very resilient and can tolerate occasional neglect, making it ideal for beginners or busy plant lovers. However, it is important to note that Aglaonema is toxic if ingested, so it should be kept away from pets and small children. With its vibrant colors, hardy nature, and year-round fresh appearance, Aglaonema is considered one of the best indoor plants for adding beauty and greenery effortlessly. In India, the price of an Aglaonema plant typically ranges from 300 to 900, depending on the variety size and pot quality. Next plant is Alocasia black, often known as black velvet alocasia, is a stunning indoor plant admired for its unique, dramatic foliage that immediately stands out in any space. This plant features thick, velvety, although black leaves with striking silver veins that give it a bold and luxurious appearance. Because of its compact size, usually growing 10 to 15 inches tall indoors, it is perfect for tabletops, corners, bedside stands, and decorative plant shelves. Alocasia black thrives in bright to medium indirect light, as too much direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves. The plant prefers well-draining, slightly moist soil and requires regular but careful watering only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry. It loves humidity, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or rooms where a humidifier is used. Maintaining a warm environment helps keep its leaves healthy and vibrant. Although it's a little more sensitive than common house plants, regular misting, consistent moisture, and good airflow support its growth. Alocasia black is also known for purifying indoor air by filtering toxins, although its primary attraction is its rare ornamental beauty. It is important to note that the plant is toxic if ingested, so it should be kept away from pets and children. With proper care, this plant continues to produce stunning new leaves that add depth, style, and a touch of exotic elegance to your home. In India, the Alocasia black velvet plant usually costs between 350 to 800 depending on size and nursery availability. Today's last plant is Rosemary. Is a highly aromatic and versatile plant loved for its needle-like leaves, refreshing fragrance, and multiple uses in cooking, wellness, and indoor decor. As an indoor plant, rosemary adds a lively, fresh presence to kitchen, balconies, windowsills, and sunny corner of the home. It has a bushy, upright growth habit and can reach 1 to 3 feet indoors, depending on the pot size and care. Rosemary thrives in bright, direct to strong indirect sunlight, ideally 4 to 6 hours a day, making it perfect for sunny windows. It prefers well-draining, sandy or gritty soil. Similar to Mediterranean conditions, watering should be done only when the top layer of soil becomes dry, as rosemary dislikes soggy soil and grows best when allowed to slightly dry out between waterings. The plant enjoys good air circulation and performs well in warm, dry indoor environments. One of the biggest advantages of rosemary is its strong herbal aroma, which refreshes the home, boasts mood, and can naturally repel certain pests. It is also an excellent culinary herb, commonly used in pasta, soups, salads, roasted vegetables, chicken, and seasoning mix. Rosemary has natural medicinal properties believed to improve focus, reduce stress, and support overall wellness through its essential oils. It is not a famous beautifying plant, but it still contributes mildly to fresher indoor air. With proper sunlight, careful watering, and occasional pruning, rosemary stays healthy, bushy, and fragrant throughout the year. In India, a rosemary plant typically costs around 150 to 350 depending on size and nursery quality. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you learn more about some beautiful and easy to care indoor plants that can brighten your home and improve your air naturally. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more plant care tips and home gardening ideas. See you in the next video.